Did you know that there are existing websites where you can start earning money right away? The majority of these websites are free to start and don't require any prior experience. And the top one will earn you more money than an ATM. Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll show you a list of websites that pay you daily for doing different tasks. Let's now get going. Number 1. Google Opinion Rewards. It's made by the same company that makes Google, and unlike smaller survey sites, it is hard to trick people into giving their money to GOR. Google is one of the world's largest corporations, and they are very likely to keep their promise to pay you to take surveys. GOR pays you to complete extremely brief surveys, some of which last only a few seconds. These questionnaires can be completed anytime, anywhere. Simply download the app to your iPhone or Android device and answer a few questions about yourself. When a survey is ready for you to take, you'll be notified, and the money will be transferred directly to your PayPal account. Number 2. Enroll. The concept of this site is straightforward. Become a tester and get paid to conduct usability tests and offer feedback based on your findings. The best thing is that it doesn't require the use of a microphone or webcam. Review the requirements, follow the rules, and answer a few simple questions about your website experience to earn 50 cents to $2 for a short test that takes a few minutes, or up to $10 for a longer test that takes a few hours. Number 3. Second to none. A secret shopper website is unparalleled, allowing you to sign up and begin earning extra money by doing things like eating and shopping. Mystery shoppers are independent contractors who can choose whether or not to take on an assignment when one becomes available. Although getting started is easy and you can start earning as much as $20 per hour as a secret shopper, all you need to get started is a phone, a dependable internet connection, and a way to get around outside of that. Number 4. Vope. Here you can make money by selling photos and videos of selfies, foods, and ostentatious sailboats you took on your device to companies like Bank of America, Kraft, Sony, and Volvo. Vope will then split the profits 50-50 with you. You can also earn more money by submitting videos and pictures to their missions, where you can earn hundreds of dollars. To get started, simply download the app on your Apple or Android device, sign up for a free account, and start posting. Number 5. Lime. Lime is a fruit, but it's also a scooter company where you can make a lot of money. You may be wondering, how can I make money with scooters? You can make money with scooters by juicing them. Lime juicers are people who juice limes, not actual limes, but lime scooters. Basically, these people walk or drive around their town harvesting or picking up lime scooters from the street, juice or charge these scooters, and then drop them off at designated spots, provided by the app. The process is very simple, and lime juicers can earn about $8 per scooter, depending on how difficult the scooter is to harvest. Number 6. Bird. Making money with birds is a slightly different concept, and the potential for making more money with birds than with lime is greater. You become a bird flyer by signing up through the app. You start out as a level 1 bird flyer, but you can move up by doing different tasks. With each status level, you gain more perks and opportunities to earn more money. Starting at level 2, for example, you'll be able to unlock higher paying charging tasks, like collecting and charging scooters. The starting price for each scooter you collect is $5, but the more difficult the scooter is to collect, the higher the pay. Active bird flyers have reported earning up to $100 per night collecting and charging scooters. Obviously, to earn this much, you need to be as efficient as possible, so having a pickup truck, SUV, or van is going to be a lot more efficient because it allows you to collect more scooters than a mid-size sedan. Number 7. Market Force. A mystery shopper's job is as simple as going to a store, restaurant, movie theater, or wherever and pretending to be a regular customer while taking notes and compiling a report that is then given back to a third-party company like Market Force. At least, that is the motto of Market Force, a mystery shopping website that you can join and get paid for enjoying life. As a secret shopper, your pay will depend on how hard the job is and what store you go to, but on average, you can expect to make about $20 per hour. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Number 8. Clearview. Clearview is a website for freelance writers and was recently purchased by Fiverr. On websites such as Upwork and Freelancer, you can send proposals to customers who are looking for a service. There is no bidding with Clearvoice. Instead, you submit your work portfolio, set your rate, and Clearview will automatically assign you to jobs that match your profile. Freelancers can earn between $200 and $1,000 per assignment. Number 9. Gigwalk. It enables you to complete small jobs for businesses while earning incredibly easy money. Typical tasks include taking pictures of grocery shelves to make sure a product is displayed correctly, checking out restaurant menus, and going to company events to make sure everything is correct and of high quality. Gigwalk tasks can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete and pay between $300 and $100, depending on the task's complexity. Number 10. Snapwire. You can earn money on this app in 2 ways. The first is by adding high-quality photos, graphic designs, and videos to your portfolio. When someone buys something from you, you'll be paid a commission. The second method is to participate in challenges or competitions set up by clients. There are requirements, and if your image, video, or graphic design meets them, the client will most likely choose it as the winner and pay you more money. Number 11. Scribble. Businesses can use Scribble, a transcription service, to record meetings, phone calls, YouTube videos, and speeches. You can comfortably work from home transcribing audio or video if you can type quickly on a computer and have good listening skills, and if you have an internet connection, PayPal account, and a good keyboard. You can make up to $800 per month transcribing, while more experienced typers can make up to $3,200 a month. Number 12. Field Agent. You can earn money by doing simple tasks such as gathering information for brands and retailers, taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks that can be done while doing things that you normally do. Simply download the Field Agent app, reserve a job, and finish it to get started. After the task is complete, a field agent will review your submission. If it is accepted, money will be deposited directly into your bank account as soon as you finish the task. Number 13. TryMyUI. TryMyUI is very similar to Enroll, except that with TryMyUI, you are testing websites on your mobile device or desktop computer and giving honest feedback about your experience using the website. And there is no restriction on the number of tasks you can take each day. Payments are sent to your PayPal account every Friday. Getting started is super simple. Simply head over to the website, click on Get Paid to Test, create a free account, and start making money. Number 14. Fiverr. You can sell actual services here, like creating NFT artwork, editing videos, designing logos, writing, drawing, or singing. The point is that you can essentially make money on Fiverr by doing anything. Number 15. UserTestingcom. While other survey websites will send you low-quality surveys that pay you pennies on the dollar, UserTesting.com pays you well over $1. Some of the world's largest companies use UserTesting.com to gain valuable insights into their products. There are companies that are willing to spend a lot of money to get real people's honest opinions. For example, a 5-minute survey would cost $4, a 20-minute survey would cost $10, and a live interview that could last between 30 minutes and an hour would cost between $30 and $120. You'll need a computer with a stable internet connection, a microphone, and a PayPal account email address. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.